Hi guys, come with me to the Natural History Museum with my Tita Meg and Lola. Lagi kong nakikita tong museum na to sa TikTok and I always admired yung architecture niya. Para siyang mala Hogwarts. Di ko lang siya in-insert dito pero ang haba ng pila, as in free lang to enter the museum, pero if you want na makapasok ka kagad, you have to buy a ticket online. Syempre, pumila kami. Fun fact about me is I'm actually scared of birds. Di ko naman sila hate, pero nakakatakot kasi sila para talaga silang nag-evolve from dinosaurs. So, ewan ko kung bakit binivideo ko sila, while in fact, kinikilabutan na ako dyan. And then after, di ko na na-video sa sobrang excitement ko, pero nag-Wingstop kami. Ang masasabi ko lang is masarap naman yung chicken. Parang ka-level lang niya yung chicken natin sa Pilipinas. Pero yung corn talaga, as in, ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap.
Kaninang dinan mo sila.
Kasi And then, the next day, nag-commute ako mag-isa tapos nag-meet kami ni Tita Beth sa Victoria Station.
Yung takbo ganun. Thanks, amiga.
Did you know that churches like this are actually not affiliated with the Pope? Kaya Church of England ang tawag. Kasi Henry VIII wanted to annul his 24-year marriage to Catherine of Aragon, who had failed to produce a surviving male heir. Tenga! Ayaw nung Pope at the time. So, Henry VIII declared himself the supreme head of the Church of England.